there, I didn't see you there. I'm Daithí and I'm from Leitrim, and I'm getting ready for Céilí in the kitchen on June the 12th. And I have a recitation written by Seamus O'Rourke. Lockdown in Leitrim. We're all locked down in Leitrim, the Rileys, the McGoverns, the Quinns and us. The rest are on the Sligo bus. We're having tea and homemade bread, and the water is poured from kettle in the cup, and gravity doesn't know which way is up. We're locked down in Leitrim. No coming to the clear with fields and trees, with 2 metre spaces with for sale signs, all at lockdown prices. The crisis has not exactly hit home yet. Those that are isolated indicate they have nothing more to do with China. We missed out on Easter, the Premiership, and Leitrim is going to be denied for another All-Ireland title. There's talk about turning the GAA Excellence Centre into a testing centre, but they won't find any excellence in it, or even Shergan. We're good at hiding things down here. You can walk the whole of our land without even seeing a racehorse. You can say Mass without anybody knowing. And when we wanted to pray to God, by God we'd be heard, but not today. We could look at an egg, let alone talking to Jesus. What did we do wrong there? There's ones that are walking that never walked before. It's a miracle. And now all the pubs are closed. Some of them since 1984. It's Lent for all we know. And the boutiques are gone. So long to fashion and their distinctive look. We can't keep up with Netflix because there's ones that are live streaming on Facebook with their fiddles, flutes and banjos. They'd want to hear a bowron playing or a 4-minute solo. Not me, not without protection. Get behind me, Satan, will ya? TikTok, what's that all about? I'm only getting used to the soda stream. Last night I had a pleasant dream that I was living in Leitrim in quarantine. But thank God I woke up and how isolated and forgotten I was. It's so quiet around here, and the guards are looking for house parties. Sure, who could blame them? There was supposed to be a house party up in Clundale, but it was just a house, no party. Someone just left on the radio, widespread calm since 1940. Wait until the farmers find out you'll be back in the early noughties. It's like Russian roulette, like the music. But at least we can get food in the Leitrim Observer, but physically and psychologically, we're still only hanging in there. We're locked down in Leitrim. Oh yeah? So folks, push back the kitchen table, put the chairs against the wall, and let's Céilí in the kitchen. Yo!